afternoon, guys. Today I'm gonna cook sauteed chicken liver with broccoli. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, soy sauce. The chicken liver I marinated with salt and black pepper, and then the broccoli, garlic, onions, and butter. Garlic, soy sauce, add another black pepper, salt, and then we're gonna simmer for not too long, maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Cover, it's cooked, so we're gonna add the broccoli. Okay guys, so let's cover for how many minutes until the broccoli is soft. Okay guys, so it's done. Look at the broccoli, is super beautiful. The broccoli is done. Okay, I'm gonna off the heat. I'm gonna taste just a little of the liver. I don't want to have a big one. Okay guys, so this is it. The broccoli or the liver is super yummy. It's not overcooked, and then it's yummy. And now I'm gonna taste the broccoli. I just taste a little. The broccoli is super yummy because it's not overcooked. It's crunchy. Okay guys, so that's our sauteed chicken liver with broccoli. It's super yummy. Okay guys, so see you tomorrow for another recipe. Sauteed chicken liver with broccoli is done. Okay. Super yummy.